My name is Yvonne Saavedra. I am 35 years old. My occupation is an integral consultant. CV status Union Libre. I am very hardworking woman with goal to reach knowledge and with a low attitude to hit a hit. I am from Barranca Bermeja, Santander. Dogs are bigger pets than cats. My kitchen's bigger than my room. My roof is higher than my neighbors. One runs faster than Fabio. My friend Natalia is happier than Camila. Andres is father than Natalie.